In this video, we're going to look at how to install Hindenburg Narrator, a software built especially for audiobook production. To install Hindenburg Narrator, you need to go to the official website. I will share this trial page link with you in the description. You will also see a trial button on the website. If you click that, you will be taken to this trial page. Once you open the trial page and scroll a bit, you will see options for Hindenburg Narrator and Hindenburg Pro. You can install the Narrator version from here. Once you're on the trial page, click Get Trial. After clicking, you'll be asked to enter your email address and create an account. This account is what activates your trial license. After creating your account, you will receive an installer file. Download the file, install it on your computer, and then open the Narrator app. The installation process is typical in your OS as you do with a setup.exe or .package file, so I am skipping those details. After installing the Narrator app, you will be prompted to log in with your account. I have already logged in, and I can see my status from my account. Inside the app, you'll see your account details, your name, your license status, and how long your trial is valid. If you're not logged in, the app will ask you to log in before you can continue. After logging into my own account, you can see here that the Narrator trial has a time-limited license. It clearly displays the expiration date, so you know how long you can use it for free. You can also see your account status from the Hindenburg website. You have to log in from this button on the website. Hindenburg allows a 30-day trial without a credit card. That is a good enough time to test if it is a good fit for you. Hindenburg makes audiobook narration easy for authors, or anyone taking care of everything in audiobook narration, from reading the manuscript to uploading to ACX. If you want a step-by-step course on audiobook production and using Hindenburg Narrator, you can check the Patreon link in the description. I have also conducted a 2-day workshop in Hindenburg Narrator. Instant replay of the workshop is now available. If you want instant access, you can get it from this Patreon link. I will keep all the links in the description and pinned comment. Installing the Narrator app is the first step. Next, you would like to learn how to record in Hindenburg. To learn that, click the video on screen. If you know how to record in Hindenburg, you are 50% done with producing your audiobook.